All right, everybody, here is your core bites, number 131. So number 1 says, how many groups of 4 are in 144? So the best way to do that is to divide 144 by 4. So if you know your multiplication tables, you would probably know the answer, but just in case you don't, we can work it out, okay? So you're dividing 144 divided by 4, okay? 4 cannot go into 1, but it can go, if you look at the 4 here, you could do 4 times 3. 4 times 3 is going to give you 12. 14 minus 12 would give you 2. Bring down your 4. 4 times what is 24? Okay, 4 times 6. 4 times 6 is 24. 24 minus 24 is 0. So your answer is 4 times 36 equals 144. So your missing number is 36 because that's the opposite, okay? For the next one, you're going to multiply 5,000 times 30, okay? So the quickest way to do this is just to multiply the numbers in front of the zeros. So 3 times 5 is 15. Then count your zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4. Add those. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then figure out where your commas are going to go based on your periods. So the three numbers. So your answer is 150,000. For the next one, you're adding. But what you've got to remember is that they do not have the same denominator. So to make them have the same denominator, you want it to be 100, so you're going to add a 0 to both of them, right? To get that, to make them equal. So your denominator is 100. 13 plus 10 would give you 23. That is as simplified as you can go because you cannot divide 23 and 10 by the same number. For number 4, give the best estimate for the measure of the angle that you see right there. So, okay, this is definitely an obtuse angle because it's more than 90 degrees. So if it was acute, it would be 65, so that makes no sense. And 90 is close to here, so that could definitely not be 95 because it's further than that. So your best answer would be 125 degrees. And then for your last one, number 5, Madison drew a shape with 3 sides, and they were congruent. What shape did she draw? Well, if it has 3 sides, it's definitely going to be a triangle, so it cannot be a square. A scalene triangle is not going to have, it's going to have 3 different sides. Equilateral is going to have 3 sides that are the same, that are congruent. So C is going to be your best answer. Okay, and then of course a right triangle is going to have a 90-degree angle. Now let me just double check a scalene, because I want to make sure I did not tell you that incorrectly. So a scalene triangle, yeah, they're all going to be different. All 3 sides are going to be different, so all 3 angles are also going to be different, okay? All right, guys, check yours and let us know if you have any questions.